teeth, but chances are you're probably doing a manual brush, which, no offense, that's just kind of an outdated way of thinking. We have brought to you sonic technology in a toothbrush, in a water flosser, a complete set that's been customer top rated here on QVC for 6 easy payments of $14.99. This, to me, when you talk about the complete set, either a full year for one person or for a family of 4, really rings true the idea of bringing sonic technology home affordably. Because if you were to shop anywhere else, this value would be $110.99. You'd have to pay separately for the toothbrush alone. And you know what they charge for sonic toothbrushes in your dentist's office, and it sure as heck isn't $93. $8 for the jet tips, going to be $9.99 for the standard tips. All of that adds up. We've got the same deal for $21 less, and of course your easy pay. This is brought to you by a company called WaterPik. And Denise, talk to us about why this sonic revolution has kind of taken over.
Well, 50 years, WaterPik is a name that's synonymous with superior oral health care. And what we bring to you today is the best of the best. This is a professional grade system. So a professional sonic toothbrush and a professional water flosser. And let me show you how it works, because what we have is 30,000 brush strokes per minute. This toothbrush has a high and a low feature. So it also runs for 2 minutes, and at 30 seconds it will pulse. Why 2 minutes, you ask? Because that's the recommended amount of time the dentist will say, hey, brush your teeth for 2 minutes. That's the way you want to go.
Well, and when you were manual cleansing, did you count out a full 2 minutes?
You know what? I never did. So this is just great, because you can walk around the house and still do it. But again, we have 30,000 brush strokes per minute. So, and I have really good animation to show you that will show what that 30,000 brush strokes per minute will do, because it vibrates. It does the work for you. So instead of scraping, scrapping, you know what? This vibrates pulses. We know sonic technology from Pure Sonic from our face. This does the same thing. It vibrates all that stubborn plaque. And then if you want to take it to the next level, the water flosser gets not only between those tight teeth, you and I said we had tight contacts, look how it gets around the tooth. So the bottom of the base of the tooth, it gently massages the gum, it lifts the gum, and it's totally customizable, so you don't have to worry about it hurting you in any way, shape, or form, because you can put it on a 0 to 10. And we've also done clinical studies which said that the toothbrush and flosser were found to be an effective alternative to manual brushing and dental floss for, these are important because you said this to me, reducing bleeding, gingival inflammation, and plaque removal. So when you use this system, your dentist will love you. I was just there, and he said, yeah, you're pretty good. So less scraping, less scratching. And what a great time of year.
Well, what you're looking at down at the bottom of your screen are some of the customer top-rated reviews, and I just wanted to read one to you. It says, I absolutely love this product. My dentist recommended that I get a water flosser, and I'm so glad I chose this one. It makes my mouth feel so clean. Our next review says, this is the most effective combination of WaterPik and electric toothbrush I have ever owned. And here's what you might be thinking at home. You know, sometimes if I brush harder, maybe my teeth will become cleaner. Maybe next time at the dentist, I'll get a better checkup. But the reality is, if you're brushing, you are wearing away that gum line. And much like, you know, think of it like a receding hairline, your gums don't grow back.
Well, you don't need to brush harder. You just need to brush more effectively. And let me show you how the water flosser works. It's a simple on and off switch. So all you have to do is turn it on. You load it with water in the reservoir, and then there's your dial. So it's customizable from 0 to 10, and this is the special proprietary way of delivering water. Remember, this gets through the teeth, around the teeth, the gum line, and anywhere that there's something stuck in your mouth, this is going to get it out. This moves around. There is not a spot in your mouth, Courtney, that this does not address. So all those hard to reach places that manually are a challenge to you, think about Halloween. Halloween candy with our kids. All of the sugary things coming around for the holidays. Get your kids to use this. Don't go to bed with sugar on your teeth.
Because you're always at risk for cavities. And what do they say is the cause of cavities? You know, it's all about that sugar intake. And especially with the water flosser, how many of you feel like it's always kind of that, how many ways can I contort my arms to get in the back molar section, to get up in the front?
And it's very hard to do with
And then my
manual floss.
dentist told me, he's like, why are you not flossing the way that, you know, I'm telling you to? And I was like, honestly, because my gums are so sensitive, I end up bleeding every time. And I like that this is an option for those of us that it's a sensitivity issue.
Absolutely, and it's clinically studied that this will absolutely help with that issue. And I'll show you also what we bring, because this is enough for one. You said you could use this and have enough brushes for 1 year per person, or you see the little ring. These are color coded. So you could share this with 4 members of your family. Each have your own color coding ring, and it'll be enough for a family of 4 to use.
So we've got green, we've got gold, red, and blue. So those are the colors.
Right.
And then these are my favorites over here.
Oh my gosh. Well, the jet tips, these are your regular jet tips that you would use. And again, there are 4 of them, so you could share them. And then this is your periodontal pickpocket. So if you have issues that your dentist says you need to address, this is the tip you'll use. If you have braces, my husband has, as an adult, had braces, so did my son, that's what you use. This is the stubborn plaque that gets stuck around the base of the teeth that no matter what just doesn't come off.
You can feel it.
You can. And this is like coming out of the dentist office clean. It's like getting a professional grade cleaning.
Well, think about how your skin feels when you get exfoliation. This is your opportunity with the Sonic technology to take that challenge, because your teeth do feel different after you've kind of compared it to manual cleansing.
Yeah.
And when you take a look at this animation, I mean, we're talking about 30,000 strokes a minute.
Exactly.
You could never brush that
You
fast.
could not, and this is kicking it up to the next level. When you use that water flosser, it gets between those stubborn areas, gingival inflammation, plaque removal, and gum, if you don't take care of your teeth, gum disease. You gotta worry about it.
And what do you have to lose with the 6 easy payments of $14.99, except a better checkup, healthier, stronger, longer teeth that you love? This is the opportunity that you're bringing home the Sonic toothbrush. Remember, $110 value that you're getting. You're also getting the water flosser, all of the attachments, customer top rated for 6 easy payments of less than $15. It's B32202. Denise, thank you.
Thank you so much.
All right, Dan, your item of the hour.